Hey, I'm Ryan, one of the co-founders here at RightBlogger, our suite of more than 80 powerful tools for content creators, bloggers, marketers, and business owners. I've been blogging for more than 15 years. My blog reaches more than 500,000 monthly readers today, and it's responsible for earning me well into the 7 figures. But it wasn't always this way. Getting started, finding traction, growing an audience, monetizing with them, that's where the rubber really hits the road, or rather where my palm kept hitting my forehead for a long time. I had to learn things the hard way. RightBlogger is our answer to that. Inside, you'll find our collection of all the supercharged tools you need, plus the in-depth education and community we wished we had when we first started blogging. In short, RightBlogger is everything you need to build an audience and make money from blogging faster. Now, I want to show you a couple of my favorite tools. First, I want to show you the article writer tool. This is our flagship tool inside RightBlogger that will help you create SEO optimized blog posts in just a few minutes. Now, there's going to be a lot of options that you'll want to toggle on here, and we'll just use an example of ADHD goal setting for adults here. We have a bunch of presets that'll allow you to customize your content creation to look, feel, and sound more like you. This is the secret sauce behind RightBlogger because we spent a lot of time working with AI to understand how it works. As you can see here, there's a lot of options you'll want to play with in order to really personalize your blog post, in order to create something that's gonna have a chance to rank well and drive traffic to your blog. In just a couple of minutes, we have an almost 3,000 word first draft article that I can now send directly to my WordPress blog in just a few clicks using RightBlogger. The second tool I want you to take for a spin, especially if you make videos, is the YouTube video to blog post generator. It'll take the link to any public or unlisted video on YouTube or a transcript of a video that you can paste in here if your video's offline. And it's going to create an awesome first draft blog post for you with your video embedded, and it's going to write in your own voice, style, and tone from the video that you trained it on. This is a really cool way to switch up your content creation process, and honestly, this is how I create all my content these days. It helps me generate blog content much faster, and then I can just one click send it straight to my blog. So there we have it. Just a quick peek behind the scenes of what RightBlogger has to offer. I want to invite you to create a free account today and take our tools for a spin so you can see for yourself just how much joining RightBlogger will change your content game forever.